all markets and commodities trading bearish with the opening of the market today, especially if you talk about indices which has seen a good rally so far are trading with a minor drop. At the same time, gold and silver too are trading at a support at 1748 and silver at 2150. Now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing out to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Also press the bell icon. The next update will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do note down the levels and listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts here. First this was the breakout here, consolidation, higher highs, then a drop, retracement, and now again trying to drop from here. Now I'll wait for it to breach past 1745-44 zone. Now this is going to be important. If it sustains below 1744-43 zone, certainly you can expect that we might see it hitting 1740 and 35. Now these levels are going to be important because you can see on the hourly chart 1735 has certainly given it a good support, and since then we have seen a good rise in gold. So you need to be careful there. Also on the hourly charts, here is a very good support. This is the 100 period average and bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence only short entry, only sell position I will recommend is below 1743 levels. But then also 1740 and 1735 are a very good support on the upside. Yes, 1755 my favorite levels, beyond which if you see gold trading above 1755 you can stay long and expect 1760, 65, 80 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic coming back to oversold levels. The MACD is again diverging for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness. But look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, see drop, retracement, drop, classical formation, higher lows. I'll wait for it to breach past 1745-44 levels, below which certainly you can expect 1740-35, and below that it has a lot much ground to cover. See, it may try to see the earlier lows were here at 1724. It may try to come back to these levels. If it is bearish, it has to breach those levels as well. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts after retracement, see there is a gap down today. This gap might get filled sooner or later, but right now it is trying to stay with the, and this is the second red candle with increasing body indicating increasing bearishness. 1746 certainly be the first support. Yes, below that 1743, and then below that 1740. See, very nearby support levels, and if it drops below 1740, certainly you can expect 1735, 3024 levels, and below that a good crash. So if you look on the 3-hour charts, see a slight, this was the breakout here, the support zone at 1710, which might get achieved if it continues to trade bearish, drop, retracement, then again resuming the drop. So it is trying to create a channel on its own, and you will find the bottom of this channel certainly in next few 3-hour candle may see at 1710 levels. We need to be little bit observant here. Direction good confirmation is below 1740 levels. If it trades below 1740, certainly you can expect that we might see 1720, 1715, 1710 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards. See, the MACD has again taken a cross, and this is a bearish cross here. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, now if you look closely on the 4-hour chart, this is giving a breakout here. This is a bearish breakout, indicating that potentially it is trying to achieve these levels. 1740 cannot be denied, and in fact below those are also possible. But for now it appears that we may see those levels sooner or later. 1740, 1735, in fact 3025 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic trading comfortable. The MACD has again taken a cross. This is a bearish cross here. This is the first red candle. We may see it sustaining those candles. We may see it sustaining the bearish momentum for a little while. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily chart, on the daily charts you can find the weekend candle was a consolidation candle, and lower highs had already been done. Now it is looking downwards. 1740 cannot be denied, and below that 1735-30 levels can also be expected. So yes, only buy position today is above 1755. Till the time gold trades below 1755, do not think of buying it. Only above 1755, consider this for a good reversal. Then you can expect 1760 and plus levels. So good short entry can be taken at 1746, 1743 levels. Below that 1740 is the first support. Below that we may see a good drop again. 1735, 20, 15, 10 till 10 it is achievable. Hence you can take your positions accordingly. With the stop loss at 1755 one can remain short. Directional movement is trying to convert. The stochastic is at height now, again looking downwards. The MACD has already crossed over. This is divergent. This is increasingly bearish and potential. We may see it diverging a little with time. Maybe in next couple of days little more bearishness can be seen. RSI looking downwards, indicating that yes, 17, 44, 40, 43, 46 zone is going to be certainly a good support, but below that a good drop can be expected. At the same time, only bullishness confirmation is above 1755 level. If you see gold trading above 1755, you can buy those levels. Till the time for the week it trades below 1755, one can stay short. The target is still towards 1710 and below level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. My Telegram and email IDs where you should connect with me are available in the channel description. Please only reach to the Telegram and email IDs available in the channel and video description. Do not click on any other links. There are fraudsters and spammers spread across internet looting on my name. Please avoid them. Do not get trapped in any investment opportunity. Invest $1,000, get $10,000. Why will they ask $1,000 from you and give you a multifold return? If they can make it, they will do it from their own money. So please don't get trapped. Yes, learn from me or be a part of signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly chart. Silver has seen a good crash. It has come back to the support at $21 levels. Remember, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. A little pushback can be expected. Remember, 2130, 2140 are very good resistance level for silver, and it has breathed past those levels. These were the support levels. Now these are going to be the resistance level. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. The stochastic is coming back to oversold zone. The MACD has again crossed over for a sell. This is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards here. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise it is breached this minor retracement and then trading with a strong drop. On the 2-hour charts, it has breached the support here. It is trying to come back to $21, which is a very, very good support. The direction movement divergent and bearish. The stochastic, you can see, looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. It may get a pullback till towards 2120. At 2120, you can again try to sell, but then put the stop loss at 2140 or 2130 levels. 2130 and 2140 zone is going to be a very, very good resistance. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bearish. The RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart it appears that it may try to achieve $21 levels, and below that $21 you can find 2080, 2060 very good support, and below that a good drop cannot be denied. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts. Firstly, I'll wait for it to breach past any of these levels here, and hence you need to wait for it to sustain below 2060, 2050 zone. Only and only if silver goes below 2050, consider that it is looking forward to a good drop, because below 2050 it has a strong long ground to cover till towards 1940, 1950 levels. For the day, if you see, it has created a step, lower highs are done, and that is why I say only buy position. Today is above 2050 levels. If you see it above 2050, you can buy again. Till the time silver trades below 2050, we can remain bearish, but at the same time one must not forget that, see, on the daily charts, yes, it has come out of this consolidation zone, and $21 levels is a certainly very good support. Below $21, 2080, 2060, 2050 till 2050, I'll not consider this as bearish at all. Below 2050, certainly it is going to crash heavily, because there is a lot much ground to cover on the downside till towards $19. Hence, you need to trade with caution. Only bullish confirmation is about 2050 levels. Till the time you can remain short. Every rise is an opportunity to sell. The directional movement so far was trading bullish. It is trying to convert. The stochastic is also looking downwards, indicating bearishness. The MACD started to diverge, and see, it has taken a curve. It may potentially continue to diverge a little. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, as I said, till the time silver trades below 2050, every rise is an opportunity to sell. Above 2050, it is going to be a good buy for 2160 and 2200 levels. Also, you can put a sell option at 2120 levels. That should be a good opportunity for you to sell and expect $21, 2080, 2060. See, right now it has seen a good drop and hence a little recovery till towards 2120 cannot be denied. Also remember 2130, 2140, 2150 are very good resistances. Hence do not trade between 2120 to 2150 levels, at least for these 30 cents. Avoid trading in silver. Below 2120, certainly you can remain short. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and trading week ahead. Thank you.